My name is Herr Neumann. I am head of site management department. Our company is Chemieanlagenbau Chemnitz GmbH in Chemnitz, Germany. We are a family-owned, medium-sized company doing chemical plant engineering, more or less in the Western Europe, with, let's say, a turnover of approximately 100 million as an investment. Broad portfolio of industrial plants, chemical plants, petrochemical plants, whatever the client wants to have, he will get it.
Great. Okay, well, great.
And the new one, which is very important, we have our own license now for synthetic fuel.
Okay.
And working on fuel and also kerosene.
Okay, excellent. And what was the main reason for you to come here?
To get to know people.
Okay, yeah.
To understand how other works.
Yeah.
I have a background in this field. I am just to, let's say, to compare how other works, get new ideas, get new contacts.
Yes.
At the end, we are working all together. We heard it here the last few days, the last 2 days.
Yeah.
And this I will take with me, bring it into our company, and maybe it will work later on.
Well, great. You're really experienced, right? In the field?
I'm in this business for 25 years now.
Okay, well, perfect. So are you still learning new stuff in the presentations?
I would say it would be good to get more details.
More details?
Maybe it was another intention to have this, let's say, venue where you get more details overall.
Yeah.
At the end, this is explained very good. We heard, let's say, these presentations. I would, let's say, use several things, what I mentioned in between, what I heard regarding communication, regarding sharing risk, all these things. I would, let's say yes, this is good to hear this and to implement it in my daily work. Yes.
Yes.
Something like this.
And you met already interesting people to connect with?
I met especially the sponsor, TOS, you know, we know each other before. I just wanted to hear what have we done before, what has to be done maybe in the near future. Means clearly we use Primavera as a software for scheduling. This is a good, let's say, interface to a lot of people in engineering, procurement and construction. This is, I think, important. And also we heard that we need maybe software digitalization. We also heard, let's say, that we have to, let's say, maybe go a little further regarding artificial intelligence. And just to compare the information. We need people at one side, but we also need, let's say, tools to help us to facilitate processes, and then again implement into our daily work.
Okay. So for you, this is it's a good event.
Yes, it's a good event.
And what do you think about the venue, about the place?
Everything is fine.
Yeah.
Organized.
Yeah.
We found everything. I think more or less everybody. You can see we are here in a very nice surrounding. And I think it's a good location also outside, but you can go also in the evening inside Amsterdam just to, let's say,
it's true.
Close the day and be open for other things. Yes.
Okay, well, thank you so much. That was it.
Okay, you're welcome.